Okay, let's solve this question 28 number. So here we have to correct here we have to choose correct logic circuit. Okay, so first of all we should have idea about these gates. So we have three gates here: OR gate, AND gate, and NOT gate. Okay, in OR gate, if you have two inputs A and B, then result will be A plus B. Output will be A plus B. For example, if you have A which is 0 and B is 1, then result will be 0 plus 1, which comes 1. So result will be 1. If it is 0 and this is at 1, so it result will be 1. And here in AND gate, if you have input A and B, so our output will be A into B, product of these two input. Okay, for example, if you have A is 0 and B is 1, then result will be 0, because 0 into 1 is 0. Okay, now here this is our NOT gate. It is also called inverter. It always invert our input. Okay, so if you have A as input, then result will be A bar. Okay, for example, if you have input 0, then result will be 1. If you have 1, then result will be 0. Okay, okay, so let's solve this question. So let's see option 1 is correct or not. So in option in this table, A is 0 and B is 0. So A is 0, B is 0. B is at 0, so this and this line is connected with B, so this line is also at 0 potential. 0 means 0 potential, 1 means maximum potential. Okay, so here this is our OR gate, so 0 plus 0, it gives 0. Okay, and now this is our AND gate, so we will multiply these two input, 0 into 0, so result will be 0. So yes, it is correct for option for this table. This circuit follows this value. Okay, let's see next value. So if A is 0 and B is 1, then result will be 0. Okay, A is 0 and B is 1, B is 1. Okay, so this is also 1. Now OR gate, 0 plus 1, it gives 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And now this is our AND gate, 1 into 1, it will be 1. So result will be 1, but here result is 0. So this circuit doesn't work according to this given table. So option 1 will be incorrect. Now let's see option 2. A is 0, so 0 0 0, and B is at 0. Now 0 plus 0 0, 0 into 0 0. Yes, option 2. Okay, and next table, 0 1 0 1, and so it will give 0 plus 1 1, and 0 0 0 0 plus 1. Okay, this is our AND gate, so 0 into 1 0 0. Okay, so yes, it gives 0. Next table, 0 1 0. So if A is 0 and B is 1, so this is, if it is 0 0 0 0, then this is also 0, and this is the OR gate, so 0 plus 1 1, 0 1, product of 0 and 1 is 0, so result will be 0. Yes, now next third table, 1 0 1 0 1, A is 1 and B is 0, 1 1 1 1, and the OR gate, so 1 plus 0 1, AND gate, so 1 into 1 1. Yes, now next last table, 1 1 1 1, this is also 1, 1 plus 1 1. Now 1 into 1 1. Yes, so this option 2, this circuit follows all data of this truth table. Okay, so option 2 will be answer.